Good morning, all of you. My name is Rajita from grade 5th.
Good morning to all of you present here. My name is Varsha. I am from grade 5th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Dia from grade 5th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Atika from grade 5th.
Today we are talking about bird migration. The word migration refers to the movement of bird from one place to another, lowland to highland, from interroad to the seacoast.
Birds migrate for various reasons. For instance, it is observed that during winter, birds go to warm places because some of them cannot survive.
Birds that feed on the insect will be not able to find their food in winter. Weather condition could not alone would not make bird migration. Bird migration depending on the season.
How do you know what? How do you know what? How is a bird identify the seasonal changes? It is said that birds can find the seasonal changes by knowing the length of the day. It is also believed that birds can understand it when days get shorter and when they get longer. This ability in birds is
Birds that breed only summer, and this is also connected with bird migration. During this season, bird migration is normal. Changing this length of years and lack of food tell us bird migration in suitable places.
most land birds make shorter homes during their migration. The American golden parrot is an extinction. It makes longer non-stop and can make extinction. It make longer non-stop